Are you struggling to attract clients as a coach or consultant? You're not alone. Many professionals face the same challenge. The good news? An effective sales funnel can transform your business. Today, let's explore the best funnels for coaches and consultants. We'll break this down step by step, making it easy to understand and implement. First, let's define what a sales funnel is. A sales funnel is a marketing strategy. It guides potential clients from initial awareness to making a purchase. Understanding this process is key to attracting and retaining clients. Now, let's dive into the steps of creating your funnel. Step 1. Define your target audience. Knowing who you serve is crucial. Identify their pain points and desires. This insight helps tailor your message. Step 2. Create a lead magnet. This could be an ebook, checklist, or webinar. Offer valuable content in exchange for their contact details. This helps build your email list. Step 3. Build a landing page. This is where visitors learn about your lead magnet. Ensure it's visually appealing and clearly outlines the benefits. A strong call to action is essential here. Step 4. Develop an email sequence. Once you've collected email addresses, nurture your leads. Share relevant content and build trust over time. This keeps your audience engaged. Step 5. Introduce your service. Once trust is built, present your coaching or consulting services. Clearly explain how you can solve their problems. Step 6. Follow up. Not everyone will purchase immediately. Send reminder emails and provide additional information. This keeps you top of mind. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you're a life coach. Your target audience is stressed professionals. You create a free ebook titled 10 Strategies to Manage Stress. You promote this ebook through social media. When clients sign up, they receive the ebook on a dedicated landing page. Following this, you send them a series of emails about stress management. Finally, you introduce your coaching program, highlighting its benefits. After a few reminders, many clients enroll. To summarize, a funnel begins with understanding your audience. Next, provide a valuable lead magnet. Follow with a healthy email sequence that engages and nurtures. Finally, introduce your services and follow up. By implementing these steps, you'll create an effective funnel that attracts and retains clients. Ready to supercharge your coaching or consulting business? Start mapping out your sales funnel today. Subscribe for more tips and strategies. Take action now.